Here are a few keto-friendly recipes for you to try. Avocado and bacon stuffed eggs. Ingredients: 6 hard-boiled eggs, 1 ripe avocado, peeled and pitted, 3 slices cooked bacon, crumbled, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, chopped fresh chives for garnish. Cut the hard-boiled eggs in half lengthwise and remove the yolks. In a bowl, mash the avocado and egg yolks together. Add mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, crumbled bacon, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Fill the egg white halves with the avocado mixture. Garnish with chopped chives. Serve chilled, ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait. Your transformation begins now. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.